Hello! Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a square knot. For this, you're only gonna need some rope, a ring or a stick, and an S-hook, and a rack, or whatever helps you hold your rope while you knot.
First, we're gonna cut 2 pieces of rope of about 2 to 3 feet each. Then fold each piece of rope in half and loop it into the ring or stick, whatever you're using for this. Now we're ready to knot. Take the left side rope and fold it, making a number 4 shape. Pass the right side rope over and then through the hole. And now pull the ropes tight. Now we do the same, start with the right side rope this time. Make the number 4 shape, then pass the left side rope over and then through the hole. And there it is, your square knot. Let's do it faster. With this knot, you can make plank hangers, wall hangings, and all kinds of things in macrame.
If you liked it and are ready to create something bigger, check out my macrame kit that comes with all of the supplies to create a macrame plank hanger. Let me know how it goes.